The aviation world has been shaken by confirmation from the U.S. Air Force. The mysterious DARKSTAR is not just a concept but a reality. Speculation surrounding its existence has now been replaced by awe at its potential. This groundbreaking aircraft represents a leap forward in speed, stealth, and innovation. Its capabilities are unlike anything seen before, and the implications for global air power are immense. DARKSTAR began as a classified project shrouded in mystery. For years, defense analysts speculated about its development, fueled by occasional leaks and unverified images. The program's foundation lies in pushing the boundaries of hypersonic flight, enabling speeds that render current defense systems obsolete. Its creation marks the culmination of decades of advanced research. What sets DARKSTAR apart is its unprecedented speed, reaching hypersonic levels that were once considered unattainable. The aircraft can travel at velocities that make detection and interception nearly impossible. This speed isn't just about breaking records. It offers unparalleled strategic advantages. DARKSTAR can strike targets thousands of miles away in record time, redefining the concept of rapid response. Beyond its speed, DARKSTAR incorporates advanced stealth features, allowing it to operate undetected in hostile airspace. Its design minimizes radar visibility and reduces heat signatures. This combination of speed and stealth makes it the ultimate tool for covert missions, intelligence gathering, and precision strikes. DARKSTAR isn't just fast, it's invisible to the enemy. The technology powering DARKSTAR represents a monumental achievement in aerodynamics and propulsion systems. Its engines are capable of sustaining extreme temperatures and pressures at hypersonic speeds. Every detail, from its sleek body to its advanced materials, has been meticulously crafted to ensure maximum efficiency and durability. This is engineering at its absolute peak. DARKSTAR's capabilities extend beyond mere technical marvels. They represent a shift in the balance of power. With its unmatched speed and stealth, it challenges traditional defense systems worldwide. No adversary can ignore the tactical edge DARKSTAR provides to the U.S. Air Force. Its presence alone alters strategic calculations on the global stage, reinforcing the U.S.'s dominance in the skies. The aircraft isn't designed just for combat. It's a versatile tool for reconnaissance, surveillance, and delivering high-value strikes. Its range and adaptability make it a critical asset in modern warfare. DARKSTAR can operate in environments where traditional aircraft fail, ensuring mission success under the most challenging conditions. Its role is both offensive and defensive, securing airspace while projecting power. Every aspect of DARKSTAR's design serves a purpose. Its angular shape and specialized coatings optimize its stealth capabilities, while its advanced engines propel it to hypersonic speeds. Even the cockpit reflects innovation, featuring advanced displays and controls for enhanced pilot efficiency. The design isn't just futuristic, it's decades ahead of its time. DARKSTAR is built to excel in diverse scenarios, from preemptive strikes to intelligence-gathering missions deep in enemy territory. Its ability to operate at hypersonic speeds ensures rapid deployment anywhere in the world. In combat situations, it can neutralize high-value targets before they even know it's coming. DARKSTAR isn't just a weapon, it's a strategic advantage in every sense. Recent tests have showcased DARKSTAR's abilities, silencing skeptics and proving its operational readiness. Footage of the aircraft in flight has captivated experts and the public alike. These tests confirm that DARKSTAR isn't a mere prototype but a fully functional aircraft capable of exceeding expectations. The U.S. Air Force has delivered a weapon of unparalleled capability. A project of this magnitude requires significant investment and political support. DARKSTAR's development has been a priority for the U.S. government, with bipartisan approval ensuring its progress. The strategic importance of this aircraft transcends party lines. Its funding represents a commitment to maintaining air superiority and safeguarding national interests. DARKSTAR's introduction marks a turning point in aviation history. It challenges the traditional definitions of air power, combining speed, stealth, and precision like never before. This aircraft isn't just a tool, it's a symbol of innovation and dominance, redefining what it means to control the skies. Its impact will be felt for decades to come. DARKSTAR was developed in response to emerging threats from rival nations. Hypersonic weapons and advanced air defenses necessitated a game-changing solution. With DARKSTAR, the U.S. has addressed these challenges head-on, creating an aircraft capable of outmatching any adversary. It's a bold response to an evolving global landscape. China and Russia have invested heavily in hypersonic technology, seeking to challenge U.S. dominance. DARKSTAR is the U.S.'s answer to these advancements. By outpacing their efforts, the U.S. ensures it remains at the forefront of aviation technology. DARKSTAR isn't just a reaction, it's a statement of leadership in the global arena. DARKSTAR represents just the beginning of what hypersonic technology can achieve. Its development paves the way for future innovations in both military and civilian aviation. As research continues, we can expect even more breakthroughs, from faster speeds to enhanced efficiency. DARKSTAR is a glimpse into the possibilities that lie ahead. The confirmation of DARKSTAR's existence has sent shockwaves across the globe. Allies view it as a reassurance of U.S. commitment, while adversaries see it as a significant challenge. This aircraft isn't just a military asset, it's a geopolitical statement. Its existence reinforces the U.S.'s position as a leader in technological and military innovation. The U.S. Air Force may consider sharing certain technologies from DARKSTAR with key allies. This would strengthen partnerships and create a unified defense network. Such collaborations would ensure a strategic advantage for allied nations, making DARKSTAR not just an American achievement but a global one. The confirmation of DARKSTAR as a reality marks a monumental achievement for the U.S. Air Force. Its capabilities redefine what's possible in aviation and set a new standard for air power. This isn't just an aircraft, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of excellence. DARKSTAR's legacy will undoubtedly shape the future of warfare and aviation for generations to come. As we conclude, if you're as captivated by DARKSTAR's groundbreaking advancements as we are, don't forget to support our channel. Hit the like button to show your appreciation and subscribe to stay updated on the latest innovations shaping the future of aviation. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into advanced military technology. Your engagement keeps us motivated to bring you more in-depth coverage of these revolutionary developments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are passionate about aviation and military technology. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive content on the world's most advanced aircraft, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on DARKSTAR. Let's continue the conversation. Your support helps our community grow and keeps us bringing you the stories that matter.